had a dude run out in front of us, and my bud just floorboards it, drive. And this dude had that trigger pin on that AKA, even when he was underneath our car. We had a Suburban. One of his rounds hit the brake reservoir, and the computer shut the vehicle down. So follow vehicle comes up, pushes us. And we had Suburbans all hajied out or whatever. Put little tassels, and you'd haji it out. Put chrome on it. You really want to get haji, you got to put chrome and gold. The guys that were pushing us were like, dude, you guys drugged that guy for 500 meters before he popped under our vehicle. And I think we drug him for another freaking 500 meters, just creating a slick down the pavement with this poor guy.